Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a SharePoint list from Excel, step by step. We'll be working in SharePoint Online on the web. First, open your Excel file and select the entire data range you want to import, including the column headers. Then, head to the Home tab on the Excel ribbon and click Format as Table. You'll see a bunch of table style options pop up. Pick any style you like. Excel will apply colored formatting to your data, and you'll notice filter arrows appear on your headers. If Excel asks whether your table has headers, confirm that it does. SharePoint can only import data that's formatted as a table, so this step ensures the import will work. Now, open your web browser and navigate to the SharePoint site where you want to create the list. If you're starting from the Microsoft 365 homepage, you can also click the app launcher that's the waffle icon and select Lists. Either way works. Once you're on your SharePoint site or in the Lists app, look for the New button at the top of the page. Click New, then select List from the drop-down. A page called Create a List will appear showing you several different options for creating a list. On that page, click the From Excel tile. This opens a file selection dialog. Click Upload File and browse to your Excel file on your device. Once you select it, SharePoint will read the data and generate a preview. If your Excel file has multiple tables, you should see a table selector where you can pick which one to import. Choose the table you want, and you'll see a preview of your columns and sample rows. The column headers from Excel become the column names in SharePoint. Next, you'll need to review the column types. SharePoint will show you a drop-down for each column where you can set the data type. By default, most columns import as single line of text, but you can change them to number, date and time, currency, choice, yes or no, and others. One column must be set as the title column, and that has to be a text column. Set these column types to match your data, then click Next. On the final screen, give your list a descriptive name. You can also add a description if you want, and there's a checkbox to show the list in the site navigation tick that if you want quick access to it from the left sidebar, click the Create button at the bottom. SharePoint will now generate your list, and you'll see all your Excel data appear as list items. One thing to note, this is a one-time import, so any changes you make to the original Excel file later won't automatically sync to the SharePoint list. Also, the uploaded file is now saved in the Site Assets library on your SharePoint site, so anyone with site access can see it. It's worth opening the list and checking that your columns imported correctly, especially things like currency or date columns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.